which is bringing lot many of us from worldwide together on a platform wherein we all can meet together each other. I would thank GP Paresh Jurmurwala ji and his team to organize this. I understand across the world there are people from several continents who are attending this show, and the show has got a very good start. We are happy to always partner with GPE team for their various exhibitions across the world, and the experience what we are getting in this virtual show is also very nice. My name is Shehul, and I am having a company called AcuPack Engineering Private Limited, which is based in India, in Mumbai. We are almost 20 kilometers from Mumbai, the city called Navi Mumbai, with an excellent infrastructure and a team of around 300 plus people. Herein, we basically take this opportunity to welcome you all, and so we would like to use this time to explain you our products in short. We basically are a 20-year-old company, almost 2 decades of experience, and what we do is into packaging is first vertical we make format parts, blister format parts for various product machines like Ullman, Cam, Romaco, Macchesini, EMA, Elmac, ACG, as well as many other brands, Honga. We make format parts for more than 90 plus different types of machines, blister and cartoning machines, and so from India after manufacturing also do the installation across more than 30 countries. Of course, in this pandemic also, I'm very proud to say that AcuPack was part of a lot of products which were like Remedepesware or any other product which you have seen in the market. We AcuPack was leading to design the format parts, manufacture the same in urgency, and ensure that the packing is done at the pharma companies. So format parts is our core business, which we have been doing from last 2 decades. In 2015, we decided that, okay, we should also manufacture our own machines and, market them. So the question was, the most important question was, what is that customer wants? There are machines from India, there are machines from China, there are machines from Europe. What is that customer is looking for? And that gave us an answer. This was almost a six month study with various of our format parts customer. As you will understand and agree with me that format parts is a business wherein you work very closely with the customer. You understand their problems, you solve their problems, you see what is actually being packed on the machine, and you also understand their maintenance challenges. So these last 15 years of experience from 2001 to 2015 helped us to understand the challenges, and we kind of made a summary of what customer wants, what are their pain areas, and what actually competitors are now the packaging machines are selling. Uh, it gave us a neutral place to do this because we were not making any machines by us then at that time. So we jot down all the points, and we understood that okay, packaging machine manufacturing design wise, Europeans are good. They have got a lot of features, and the quality basically, that what they are looking at, the perfection in quality, they are managing very well. Whereas other countries in Asia were making budget machines, and in that quality was compromised. And eventually, what used to happen is, you are getting less output. So we said, okay, let's make it something unique. We officially get our design team working in Europe. So we employed a design team in Italy, in Spain, in Germany, and asked them, requested them to use their 30, 40 years of experience and design machines for us. So we got patent free, means basically patented, not violating anybody's patent, our own designs, which are there for, with us for next at least 20, 30 years. And we then started to make the prototype in Europe. Once the prototype was made there, then we got the machines manufacturing shifted to our new factory. So what we did is, in this exercise, we understood the customer's requirement, address the pain points of the customer, and design the machines which will help the customer with the most important factor. Number one is operational efficiency. Number two is saving in change over time. And number three was no setting time. People are putting pharmaceutical plants across the world, and there is a scarcity in the person who is going to run the machine, the knowledge of that machine, the expertise of that guy. He is not going to be the super best guy, And the problem is, if you want to make a good machine, you should design in such a way that an idiot also can run it. So what we have done is, we have tried to minimize the factors which are to be taught to an operator. It should be a plug and play start. If the format part has been installed, there is packing material, there is tablet, you just start the button and run the machine. There should not be any setting every 2 minutes, 5 minutes, wherein there are 3 or 4 people standing for a blister machine. It does not help anybody. So what we did is, we made the machine in that concept and started to install that in India. We got very good response. Now we have almost installations in many other countries as well. The idea here again is no setting time, lowest changeover time, highest operational efficiency. The goal is more time is wasted between product to product. If we reduce this time, that time is getting free to increase the capacity. There is no need for adding more lines if you are actually able to enhance your capacity by just replacing the old machines. The old machines at that time were made as per the technology available. Now there are servo drives. Talking about servo drives, none of the AccuPack machines have chain drives or gears or all. All the machines, whatever we have, are with servo drives. We have PVC alu, deep draw blister machines for refill syringes, ampules, vials. We do soft gelatins, we do multi-products, we do kit packing, we do print registrations. So everything we have covered in blister. Also, we have a cartoning range where we also do the cartoning for the blister machines, as well as we do for bottles, we do for tubes, we do for ampules, vials, trays. So overall, we have a very, very, big, good basket to cover the requirements of any pharmaceutical customer. The idea is to give solutions which will enable the customer to increase their operational efficiency, increase the output overall, reduce the headaches of packing, and in that way, we develop a long-term relationship with the customer. Herein, I take the opportunity to share with you certain brochures of our key products, wherein I'm just sharing the screen to show you the highlights of the machines. And of course, there is video which you can click on our by going on our stall, and there is a video which you can play. There are brochures which you can download from there. And of course, there is a chat box wherein my colleague Viral is online with you guys. In case if you have any questions, we are also available for meetings. I'm very happy to say that in last 1.5 days, I was able to have 3 meetings, wherein we were able to discuss business one-to-one, which is a win-win for both customers and us. So I will just start by sharing one of the machines, which is called as Synergy. It is a blister packing cartoning line, and here it is. So we are talking about Synergy, which is basically a blister machine which is PVC alu or triplex alu. It cannot do alu, but this is the start model. As you can read down, it is designed in Europe and manufactured in India. This line we have installed at many places across the world, and the idea of this line is the entry segment. The entry segment who is looking for just production for PVC alu blisters at like 300 blisters a minute. This machine offers all the features which you can imagine for 21 CFR, CE certification, camera, touchscreen, HMI, all the temperature controls from the front monitor, front HMI screen, 50% flat blisters. This is a rotary sealing machine, but it offers almost 50% flat blisters because we have to also again carton it ahead. And bend blisters, as we all know, is a problem and a pain in your neck for cartoning. So this machine has got all the advantages you can think of. It has got absolutely awesome feeding facility which can take care of all your products for feeding. It can also incorporate camera systems. It has separate embossing and perforation station. In this brochure, you can see there is an U arrangement of conveyor from taking good products, good blisters from blister to cartoning. We can also work out another way wherein we have Z configuration. This all depends upon your layout. Of course, talking about cartoning, this is the smallest cartoning machine what we have basically, and this machine has all the features. And when I talk about all the features, this machine is servo driven. The help it gives you is the setting time becomes much more less. And the best advantage of this machine, cartoning machine, is the product feeding is from the back side of the machine. So if I am an operator, I can see the machine very much in front of me, and the entire action is happening from the back. Normally, if you see the conventional cartoning machine, the feeding was happening from the front side, which makes operator much more uncomfortable to operate or do the changeover, or in case if there is a carton jam or something. This is a no friction cartoning machine. It can handle book as well as pre-folded leaflets both. It's absolutely small in size, less than 2 meters in length. This entire line is not more than 6.5 meters, and it gives you 300 blisters per minute. So this is our first product, and I will just share another product of ours with you, because I spoke. This is called a Synergy, my friends. Velocity 300 is the blister machine, and Galaxy is the cartoning machine, and all together we put this name as Synergy. I will just show you one more product of ours, which is the top of the line blister machine. Here comes the new brochure in front of you guys. It's called as Harmony. Now Harmony basically is an absolutely delight for anybody who is looking at high speed production line. When we talk about Harmony, the blister machine is named as Victory. It's 4.7 meter long machine. It can do all forming materials and all leading materials. Entire this line has 14 servo motors. Yes, it's 14 servo motors. It enables you to have the best drive technology, no chains, no gears, no headache of greasing, oiling, hydraulics, pneumatics, very less pneumatic, only for suctions of packets and some other small things. But the idea is, this is a beauty, guys. This is a beauty machine which gives you 400 blisters per minute. When I talk about these machines, splice tables, splice detection, big feeding area, oscillating feeding system. One of the very important feature of this machine I would like to address over here is, we have got sealing plates which has overload sensors. This is only given by a couple of people from Europe, and not many people over here. They basically, what they do is, in case if there is a tablet which has jumped out of the cavity after the feeding and after the camera, what it does is, it helps you to stop the machine itself. The sensors does not allow the crushed tablet and the packet to go to the market, because as we all agree, in these line machines where blister and cartoning are connected to each other, there is no possibility of manual checking or manual inspection after the sealing is done. So here what we do is, we are trying to stop that bad products going to the market. There are several other checks. There is camera, there is product out of the blister, but that is after the feeding. But many times it has been observed that just in case, in the sealing plates, what they have is, just a product has jumped out. Specifically, when I'm talking about small tablets, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm tablets. So these overload sensors help you to stop them. Moving forward, then we have separate perforation station, separate embossing station, cutting station, which runs at 200 cutting cycles. And we have one very nice feature in this machine, wherein all of you will understand that when a blister is there, it is very important to have both the sealing margins same. If you have two tablets, next to each other, the sealing margin at both the corners cannot be different. And for that, any machine you talk about across the world, the operator has to adjust the indexing and ensure that the packet is in the center. Okay. In Acupac's blister machine, Victory or Trinity or any other blister machine, we have made this automatic. So what it does is, it automatically centralizes the packet. It helps you save 45 minutes, guys. And that 45 minutes is absolutely thousands of packets of production. So by this small features, this was our feedback, what we got from last 15 years of our change part manufacturing experience before we started our machines. So you get only good blisters at 200 cutting cycles coming from the drive and getting into the magazine. These magazines have the newest system of servo drives, wherein the servo drives, there are wheels which are accurately counting the blisters and putting it into the cartoning machine, in the cartoning bucket. And then, of course, I explained you about the cartoning machine. This machine can give you 400 blisters and 130 cartons a minute. This gives you a delightful experience. There are no settings. As you can see both the HMIs, the machine HMI and the camera HMI, both are mounted on the front fascia, the guards of the screen. We have polycarbonate guards in that. And the idea is that we should not have the doors open while running the machine. Our concept in AccuPack is if the tablets are made as per the design, as per the specifications, if there is packing material, if there is format parts made rightly, why you need to open the doors? We are just putting the tablets from the top from the hopper, and then the machine does it work. The problem happens when there is an issue with the tablet sizes or the change part manufacturing or the machine accuracy in total, wherein our operators are forced to open the door, stop the machine, and keep doing something with some pin or something and try to manage the packing. But what we are talking about is an experience where we don't have to open the doors and let the machine run at 40-45 cycles per minute and give you 400 blisters a minute. And that's what the experience we are talking about. It is very important for me to also explain you that, in this machine or even any of the AccuPack machine, we have specifically tied up with a design company for the designing of the guards and the cleaning part. From one product to another product, of course, there is a one cleaning exercise wherein, for a lot of uncoated products, the tablet powder goes and settles in different corners of the machine. So if you see, this machine has got curves at every end. Why? Because there is powder which gets settled. So this machine is much faster to clean because we have ensured that there are no corners where there can where there can go a tablet and settle down over there, or where there can be tablet powder or some fine particles which can make the life miserable for audits and everything. So this is very important feature I wanted to talk to you about. Guys, this line machine is called as Harmony, as you can see on the screen, and it's loaded with lots and lots of features. I have certain time left, and I would also like to show you one more product from our company, and it's called as Discovery. Allow me a second. I'll just share you the new screen. Yes, this is one another delightful machine from AccuPack. It can do PVC alu, it can do Aclar, it can do triplex, it can do all thermoforming machines. It cannot do alu, but this machine is ideal for somebody who is looking for thermoforming blisters but flat blisters, because this has got flat forming and rotary sealing. The advantage this machine offers, it gives you up to 350 blisters per minute fluently without any disturbances. If this is a very, very compact machine with not less than 3.3 meters, something like that. But the advantage of this machine is flat blisters. We can have 2 feeding systems in this machine, and if you want, third one also can be added in future. The idea of this machine is no chain drive, no hydraulics, only servo driven machine, and it can give you flat blisters, which will be one of the best thing for your cartoning machines. This machine we have got installed in several places across India as well as many other countries. What I would like to explain you over here is the concept what AccuPack is talking about. Let it be format parts, let it be packaging machines. What we are offering as a company from our new facility, which we have just shifted before 2 months, which which spread across 1 lakh square feet. It's around 10,000 square meter with our 300 people team. For format parts, we have testing facility inside, where we do a lot of R&D on feeding systems. One of our focus area and one of our USPs, we have got loads of expertise in doing the feeding systems for critical products. Coming up to the machines, we provide services across the world. We have our service engineering team in Europe, we have in Africa, we have in Maghreb countries, we have in CIS countries, we have it in Far East, which is Malaysia, Thailand and all. And we have been doing this from 20 years, guys. So we look forward to request you for some opportunity to work with us. Give us an opportunity, try us out. The idea of AccuPack is to change the way the packing was done. The conventional way is out, the new way is in. The new way says that we have to focus on operational efficiency. We have to focus on giving the right format parts. We have to focus how we can reduce the setting time. We have to focus on how we can reduce the packaging material wastage. There are lots of places where there is packaging material wastage. So we would, as a team, like to focus on all these things, ensure that you save money, and in turn, we do business together with you. So I look forward to meet you all, on one-on-one basis. We are here to serve you 24/7. do contact us and let us know if we can help you in some way. And thank you very much, all of you, to give me these 20 minutes of your time. I really appreciate this time, given to us. And I thanks again the GPE team for giving us this platform. I look forward to, meet you all. Kindly do visit